Hi, I'm Bob Vila. Welcome home again. Today we're really busy with the finish work here at our Yonkers Blitz build. Riley's working with the carpet installers in the master bedroom. Let's join Riley in the master bedroom, where the carpet installers are hard at work.
Well, we're on the second floor up here on the master bedroom, and I'm with Tom Dancel.
Hi, Bob. How are you?
Good. How you doing, Tom?
Good.
You're out with Carpenter Carpeting.
Yeah, Bowview of America.
Bowview of America, you're donating the carpeting for this project.
Yeah.
Which is great.
Thank you.
And what did Phil just got finished doing here? He's putting down
Well, Phil is putting down the tackless. In order to secure the carpet to the floor, we need the tackless strips.
Right.
These tackless strips go about 1/4 inch from the wall.
Okay, yeah.
And if you notice these needles sticking out,
Right,
they face towards the wall.
Right, they're not coming up straight. They're at an angle.
Correct. This hooks the carpet onto the tackless.
Okay. And now we've got these nails that are already applied to the
This will
strip.
anchor the tackless to the floor.
Okay, so you don't have to bother with any nails. And this is
Okay.
also a concrete nail as well, so...
Right. This is a dual-purpose tackless. We can use this on either concrete floors if you want to do a basement, or you can use this in wood also.
Boy, that's terrific. Okay, now the first thing you want to put down after that is this...
Our padding.
pad. Okay.
Today we're using 7/16 rebonded pad.
Right.
This rebonded pad is a 6-pound density. It's 7/16 of an inch. We don't want it too thick.
Right, okay.
Tends to make the carpet buckle.
Oh, really? Okay, and it looks like there's definitely a difference between one side and the other. Is there a top and bottom?
This scrim side keeps the carpet from bunching the padding up from underneath.
Okay.
So the carpet can move.
You
don't want the pad to bunch up underneath.
Okay. All right, very good. And then tell us a little something about the carpet. What is it? What's it made
Today
of?
we're using multi-tone Saxony. It's a Duraware yarn, nylon, continuous filament.
Okay.
It's all Scotch guarded stain release. It makes a nice plush, soft feel carpet.
Great.
With this padding, it have a nice feel for a bedroom.
Okay, terrific. Well, is there any tricks to putting this stuff down?
Well, here, when we put after we put our tackless down, we want to put our padding down.
Okay.
Now he's stapling this right to the floor.
He just staples it right down.
Right.
Okay. And then once that's in,
then we just pull back our carpet.
Okay, let me get out of his way and let Phil go to work. Now, what's that tool he's just picked up there? Is there any special name?
Well, he's got
for
a
that?
kicker.
A kicker?
Right here.
Okay.
Now what he's going to do is stretch the carpet.
Okay.
Normally, you start on one wall, and then you work on your length wall.
Okay.
He'll now cut the edges.
So just what is this tool Phil's using to cut the edge with?
It's a wall trimmer. It keeps the carpet blade from going too far in. You don't want it to cut the molding sometimes. It makes a nice precision cut.
A sharp blade in there.
And then he just tucks it in. It's a nice clean finish.
And that's all there is to it. Well, Phil is really flying here, Tom, so it looks like we'd better get out of his way, but it looks terrific.
Thanks.
Thank you.